To set up Apple Pay on Apple Watch, start by opening the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Navigate to the My Watch tab and select Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on Add Card and follow the prompts to add a new credit or debit card. You can add a card by taking a photo of it or manually entering the card details. You will then be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of Apple Pay. Review the information carefully and tap Agree to continue. Your bank may require you to verify your card by calling them or receiving a verification code. Wait for the verification process to complete and for your card to be added to the Wallet app. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. To do this, double-click the side button on your Apple Watch and hold the display near the contactless reader. To make a payment, you can also add multiple cards to the Wallet app and switch between them by opening the Wallet app on your Apple Watch and selecting the card you want to use. For security purposes, Apple Pay does not store your actual card number on your device. Instead, it uses a unique device account number to make payments. This number is stored securely on your device and is not shared with merchants. To get the most out of Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, make sure your device is running the latest software and that you have a compatible credit or debit card. You can check the Apple website for a list of supported banks and cards. By following these steps, you can easily set up Apple Pay on your Apple Watch and start making convenient and secure payments.